Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Subaru Forester louder. We'll focus on straightforward methods that you can consider for a more aggressive exhaust note. These options are generally easy to implement and provide a noticeable change without extensive modifications. Remember to always check local noise ordinances before making any changes to your vehicle's exhaust system. One of the easiest ways to enhance your Forester's sound is with an axle-back exhaust system. This modification replaces just the muffler and tailpipe, offering a noticeable increase in volume and a deeper tone. It's typically a straightforward installation, often requiring basic tools, making it a popular choice for a quick sound upgrade. For a more comprehensive sound change, consider a cat-back exhaust system. This replaces everything from the catalytic converter back, including the midpipe and muffler. It provides a more pronounced and aggressive exhaust note than an axle back. While installation can be more involved, the enhanced sound and potential for minor performance gains are often worth it. Beyond exhaust systems, you might also check for any existing exhaust leaks, as repairing these can sometimes restore lost sound. An aftermarket air intake system can also introduce more engine induction noise, complementing your exhaust. Remember, any modification should be done safely and in accordance with all local laws to ensure your vehicle remains street legal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.